Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's David here, always helping you play creatively. So one of my favorite songs to play on the piano is As the Deer. As the deer. It's one of my favorite songs because growing up in church, we would sing it often. As a piano player, this song became the song I would use to practice new ideas on. So like when I first learned the 7-3-6 progression, it was trying to apply it to As the Deer. So something like this. As the deer panteth for. I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. Right? Or when I learned like a major 2-5-1, the waters of my soul. Okay. It's just one of those songs that anytime I learn a new idea, I try to figure out how do I apply it to the song As the Deer. Today, I'm going to show you a 7-3-6 progression. The standard 7-3-6 progression, or think of it as a minor 2-5-1, is going to be a B minor 7 flat 5 or a B half diminished 7 to an E 7 sharp 5 sharp 9 to an A minor 7, okay? All right. The way I break this down is I think of it as a D major in my right hand, D minor in my right hand with a B in the left. I think of it as an A flat major 7 chord in my right hand with a flat 5. So the screen is going to say G sharp. And then we have an E in the left, all right? And then I think of it as a C major in my right hand with an A minor in the left. Now, here's a little segue to the website. I actually have an entire chart with this progression and some others in all of your keys. And there's a link for that in the description below. Now, how would I add some flavor to it? So recently, which I'm surprised that only recently I've been doing this, is I've been playing rather than play my 7 like this, I've been playing it like this. Woo! Okay, so now I've played this a B augmented 7 before, okay? And then I've played a B sharp 5 sharp 9 chord before. And I've played it like this before. But I've never played it as the 7. And I was so surprised that I've never done that, okay? So here's one way to play the chord, or another, okay? So this one is thinking of that D minor in the right hand. And then I'm walking up from the C sharp. And I'm playing like a B major without the 5. Ooh. Okay, now here's something I would do. So that's my 7, here's my 3. Okay, so I'm playing an E augmented in my right hand. And then I'm playing a C major, second inversion, going up to C sharp. That's my 5. And then I land on my A minor chord, A minor 7, okay? Woo. So anyway, just a really quick standard gospel progression for you to use. So just want to remind you, go ahead and check out the website playcreatively.com, where you can find everything you need to grow as a piano player. There is a really good chart you can download if you want to start, adding gospel progressions to your playing. Well, I will see you next time.